Hey everyone, this is Paul from Ortho Eval. I want to talk about a modified bicep curl and how I would do it if somebody's had shoulder surgery or injury to the shoulder. Now, one of the things you need to remember is this, that if you've had shoulder surgery, it's pretty likely you're going to have some work done on the biceps, okay? So it's important that you follow a protocol. But if you've had, let's say, a rotator cuff repair and the biceps was intact and there was no problem with it, it's okay to do some early light bicep curls after surgery. Now, there is an important way to do this though. You need to remember that the infraspinatus and teres minor muscles are the ones that hold the arm out here to the outside. Okay, so if those have been repaired, when you do a bicep curl like this, that arm is going to want to fall inward and stress that repair. But one way to get around that is to hold on to something like this, lean off to the side so that the arm is basically in a neutral position and the rotator cuff doesn't have to work anymore. And now you can do that bicep curl and it's pure biceps and not involving the rotator cuff whatsoever. So this is how I like to do that modified curl. If you want to take a little more load off the bicep tendon, just do a hammer curl, turn the hand this way and bring it up just like that. Once you've done about 10 of them, you can take a little rest and just stand here like that. That is fine, okay? So this is how you do a modified biceps curl if you've had a rotator cuff repair and you're starting on early with that, that biceps activation. I hope you'll enjoy today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.